So I know you're just dying to see what the ABS module looks like torn apart. So let's work on that a little bit. See if we got the right torque size here. Yeah, it looks like it's about a T20 torques. Really exciting to watch it now. But it's fast at least. Right. 4 screws. Let's see if we can crack this easily. It looks like it wants to separate a little bit. At the same time, it doesn't. Let's see the blade. Very carefully. Ah, there we go. Alright. Wow, this is kind of cool to see. Now, they're color coded even. And some little pieces up there. Of course, there's our electronic. This is all just electronics. Looks like these may be like valves that open and close. So the question is going to be, I'm going to plug this back in to the thing, turn the key on, and see if I get any ABS error lights or anything. Because if I can just seal this off, I might be able to actually just keep this tucked up against the sidewall and not have to relocate the whole thing, which would be nice, while not having this piece in there because I don't have room for it with the new unit. So we'll see what happens.